Shift is happening all around us. In trade, agriculture, on the other side of the world, and in everyday life. It is also happening in schools. For this, we have technology to thank. The way we teach our students today is very different from the way our parents were taught. As digital natives, technology is nothing new to our everyday way of life. Why should our classrooms be any different? Today, we have so many means of learning that incorporate so much more than pencils, notebooks, and desks. Today, we have projectors that manage presentations, computers that allow teachers and students a way to author and illustrate their projects, clickers that give students a way to answer in-class questions electronically, graphing calculators that graph data. As a future teacher, with the shift happening in my future classrooms, there are a couple options I have to deal with it. 1, I can ignore it, offer dull and monotonous lectures to my students, with no interaction, no unique activities, just plowing information and facts into their brains with no use of technology. Or 2, I can accept this shift and use this technology in my classroom. Sometimes I worry that technology may be a distraction to my students, whether it is supposed to be for learning or instruments brought in by students. But I intend to use instruments that stimulate learning and only allow devices that can be used by all my students to gain information. I can use smart boards to allow students to draw diagrams and write their questions, computer games to give students an interactive way to learn, simulations to show students historical events, and other technological mediums to offer my students a lesson in which they will not only absorb facts, but one that they will understand and remember.